All right, let's look at the homework 4.4, problem number 3. All right, so let's use L'Hopital's rule to evaluate this limit here. All right, so first thing we should try is just plug in, see what happens. All right, so as x approaches 0, and the denominator definitely goes to 0. And the numerator is going to be, so if you put 0 here, you have a square root of 1 minus also square root of 1. So the whole numerator is going to approach 0. Right? So we have a 0 over 0, so we can apply L'Hopital's rule. So by applying L'Hopital's rule, we have a limit as x approaches 0. Right? And if you take the derivative of the denominator, which is 1, right, before we take the derivative, so I'm going to rewrite this guy as quantity 1 plus 9x to the 1/2 power. And the same here, we're going to rewrite the square root of 1 minus 7x as quantity 1 minus 7x raised to the 1/2 power. Right? So if you take the derivative, put 1/2 in front, keep the inside function as it is, and subtract 1 from the power. So 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. Then multiply by derivative inside, which is 9. Right? Minus, same way. So put 1/2 in front, keep the inside function as it is, and subtract 1 from the power, so it's going to be negative 1/2 again, and then multiply by derivative of what's inside, which would be negative 7. Right, so we have that. All right, then I'm going to actually rewrite it a little bit here, so I'm just going to clean up. So the denominator, 1, really doesn't do anything, so I'm just going to ignore that. Then we have let's see, so first we have to take care of this. Let's see, so we have maybe a 9 on top, so I'm going to put 9 on top. All right, and then we have 2 on the bottom, so I'll take care of that, 2. All right, then you have negative power with the 1 plus 9x, so I'm going to put the 1 plus 9x on the bottom. Then we have a 1/2 power, so I'm going to put the square root there, right? And a minus, same way. So we're going to put 7, negative 7, so it's going to be plus 7 on top. And we have 2 on the bottom, so we put 2 there, right? And then you have, again, negative power, puts 1 minus 7x on the bottom, and then we have a 1/2 power, so we're going to put the square root, right? So we're taking a limit of this guy, right? So as x approaches 0, so you can see that that's going to go to 0, and here that's going to go to 0. So we have, we end up getting 9 over 2 times 1, so it's a 9 halves, plus 7 halves, right, which is 16 halves, which is 8, right? So let's type it in. So we have 8, right? Let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.